So here is like the Dayparting tool, and what you could do, you could find your campaigns based on the essence and SKU. You could also use the filter just to, for example, choose only the enabled campaigns in your account. And what do we have here? The test auto campaign working in a case of the different budgets. You could see that how the campaigns is performed. Here you could see the sales and out of budget. The orange one is when your campaigns go out of budget, and you could boost and increase the budget for your campaigns at this period of time. And also it's really important for you just to make sure that here with a plural one, you could get some sales. Here is more, and here is like the most of them. So you could analyze all these days based on these statistics. You could also compare, for example, your impressions to the clicks here, just to make sure that everything is work for you better based on the days, yeah, like weekly, day by day. And here is like one of the most important things. What you could do here is you could just pause your campaigns for this period of time and enable them for another period of time, and it will help you to be sure that you will just work with your budget correctly for different period of time, for the time when you could get more sales and before more sales, and it will help you to do it not manually, but with the help of our software. It will help you to collect more data. Also, you could see this info based on the also each day. You could see like the Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. You could double check each day here, and you could get all these results. Yes, we don't have the placement management right now. You could do it automatically, but still you will have a easy statistic just to double check everything in one way and to perform these changes in your exactly Amazon seller account. So what I recommend you to do is just to use this tool, like making some analytics to, for example, enable some like activate or deactivate your campaigns for some period of time, for example, for different days, yeah, according to your week, and it will help you to work as much profitable as you can. So just try to test this Dayparting tool, and I believe that you will get a really cool results. Also, one of the really cool things that we have, and you should use it if you have any additional questions or you need our support, is inside. You could see the chat button, and if you will click it, we will help you and we will assist you with each problem or issue that you have right now. You could send to us your screenshots. You could also just text us any problems that you will have, and we would be glad to answer you as quickly as possible. Also, if you will have any additional questions, or you need a personal guide, you could go here, click on how it works, and you will get a detailed guide how to correctly set up and make all these steps one more time. One more really important thing that you could and you will have a chance to do is the demo call. You could schedule a demo call with us, and we will also help you to make sure that the profitable software is working correctly for you. We will make an analysis and audit personally for you, just to go deeper into your account, into all your results that you have, into your campaign structure or something like that, and we will go deeper and analyze it and provide you with some recommendations what should be done for performing a better results or reaching your goals. And I believe that is all for now. And if you will have any additional questions, I would be glad to answer them. And don't be shy, contact us, contact our support team, and see you next time.